Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now you guys must have been following my journey of my planting. I have a video of how to repot aloe vera and the mother-in-law's tongue, and I also have a video of how to create planters with plastic bottles. Basically, it's an amazing video. I'm going to link all of them in the description box. I'll put the playlist there so that you guys can go check them out. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I care for my plants. Actually, like, I have this mixture that I always use. So this cucumber mixture is basically a mixture that is used to improve the health of your plants. It's filled with potassium and phosphorus, so it's actually an amazing nutrient that your plants need as well. So guys, this is how you make it. You're going to peel your cucumbers and put them in a bowl. So a bowl that can actually close, that has a lid basically. So put it in this bowl and then add water to it. Now the water has no like exact capacity. You can put as much water as you like. Put this water in it and then leave it for 5 days. So close the lid, leave it for 5 days, and once you leave it for 5 days, it's going to look different. Now this is what it looks like after 5 days. What you're going to do now is you're going to just drain this mixture from the peels. So the peels look yellowish green right now, so you're going to drain it out. Some people actually leave it in it so that the nutrients can still be coming in, but I usually remove it. So drain it and put it in a spray bottle and then just spray it on your plants, and it's going to look amazing. Trust me, your plants are going to thank you for this. And that's how I always make my plants look healthy. There are other things that I do. I'm going to be posting them from time to time, but this is the cucumber mixture that I always use. And guys, that's all for this video. Like I said, I have a playlist of my planting journey on my channel. I'm going to link it down below so that you guys can go check it out. I have other things on the channel that I'm creating and showing you guys. And yes guys, that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions, send them to me in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel as well, guys. Joining as a membership helps the channel a lot. Like this video as well, share within and outside your circle with your planting friends, your gardening friends. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.